And now I want to talk to you guys about taking the idea behind the home modification videos, promotions, marketing, and how you actually turn that into dollars and cents, even if you're not treating the individual. So if you haven't seen the video already, I'm going to take a gamble. I think it's going to come up there. Go watch that video up there that you see the link for. What I've got in my hand right here. I took the battery out, but this is a Ring doorbell. It is called the Ring Stick Up. I think it is Stick Up, something like that. I'm going to take you guys inside my Amazon affiliate account. Now, I haven't created the post for this yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create the blog post. I'm going to create the video to promote this device, and I'm going to explain to you what my thinking is in the process. But let me show you. Behind me on the screen, this is inside my Amazon affiliate account. So you can see right now we've been averaging just over $100 a month in affiliate commissions. This year, 2021, has been the first year that we've surpassed $100 a month on average so far. Things are going well, things are looking up. And a big part of that is because I'm getting traffic to my website. Now, my website, just for fun, here is my website. This is the homepage to my clinic website. And then if I go to my blog, you can see here, these are some of my blog posts. You know, clearly it's all about total knee replacement. Like everything here is total knee replacement. To give you a little more context, don't leave this video because I'm going to talk to you about how you're going to use affiliate links to sell these devices and genuinely change lives, really help people. Like, I don't recommend junk stuff. This thing is incredible. So if we're going to take a look here, let's jump into Google Analytics. Again, I just think it's important you have context for the information that I'm sharing with you. I'm by no means a large website. Like I'm a flea on the back of a dog when it comes to the size of my website. But to give you some context, let's see where we are. Let's go to overview. So over the past 28 days, we've had about 5,500 page views, 13,000 encounters. I don't know where the user, numbers are, but anyway, so about 5,000 page views a month. And we've been pretty, consistently growing. If I go 90 days, let's see if I can apply that real quick. So 17,000 in the past 90 days, and you can see it's kind of hovering in that same range. Went way down recently for some reason. But anyway, I'm getting lost here. If we go to Amazon, the Ring Stick Up Cam battery HD security camera, $99. Okay, so let's talk about how this device can change lives. So now here is a 4-pack for $400. You're not saving anything. Here's a solar powered, but truthfully, like, this battery lasts so long. It's easily gonna last you a week, probably longer. But okay, so what do we do with this? Like, they have some integrations with an Echo Dot. They have a couple other things, but this has a microphone. Like, you can literally talk to somebody through this device. And so my thought on this is, if we have a potential client or somebody is looking for an option, right? Like, we have Amazon Echoes and Dots and other things are all around the house in every room. But it doesn't always work. The client doesn't always use it. Something like this is motion sensitive. So if there are certain areas that you're concerned about in the home, you could literally buy a 4-pack. You can place these around the home. You determine how discreet you need to be in terms of, are we going to go in the bathroom? Are we going to go where the toilet is, the side of the bed? Where are we going with this? But at the end of the day, if I'm an adult and I have an aging parent who wants to stay in the home and I can't be with them because I'm at the office or I'm at work, if I buy a 4-pack of these and I place these strategically around the home, I have virtual 24-hour presence in the home. If somebody falls, if somebody has an issue or they need help, this is a way that I can access them. I can check in on them. If they don't, use it in the way it's intended, I can always check in and say, hey mom, Tony, how you doing? I just think it's a huge resource. And I've looked at like fall detectors. I've looked at other devices that are out there. There is no perfect device. I think we can all agree with that. But as I'm looking and researching, to me, that's about as close as it's going to get. I do like the motion detection part of it, so I can kind of be informed if, people are moving around in certain areas of the house. It doesn't have fall detection, but it has motion detection. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a video similar to the video you guys are watching now, but this video is focused on you, the therapist. The video I'm going to do is going to be focused on the individual who would potentially buy this device. I'm going to post that video on YouTube. I'm going to have it customized to my total knee replacement niche. Imagine somebody has a knee replacement, they're at home for 2 weeks, their spouse is at work, they need, they want some sort of security. This could be it. Not just security outside the home, security to say, hey, I want somebody to keep an eye on me. But then I'll record the video, I'll create the blog post, I'll do the keyword research, not in this order, keyword research, record the video, do the blog post, embed the affiliate links, and then publish. And then let's see, I'll share the video on the process, and then let's see from the date that I publish how long it takes my site with 5,000 page views a month to get that page ranked, to start driving traffic. And I will be so pumped when I see my first Amazon affiliate sale for this, because this is essentially, me bringing product to market, right? I've got an idea. My idea is the product. I create the video, the blog post, the content, bring it to market. The first confirmation that I've done it right is that first affiliate sale and commission. And if it's $100 affiliate sale, it should be a $2 to $4 commission. I don't know what it is for this device particular. If they buy the 4-pack, that could be a $16 commission. Again, not making me rich, but it opens the door for us to create a digital product. It opens the door for us to answer 10 of the most common questions related to home safety for an aging adult. It opens the door for so many other things. Could bring people to a home modifications group. All right, guys, I gotta go. I'll catch you on the next one.